Hi, let's see how we can quickly set up the Conversios all-in-one Pixel app to your Shopify web store. Once you install the app, you'll be redirected to this page wherein you have to click on Start Your Setup Now button. As the next step, you will see App Settings page wherein you have to do the Google authentication. So simply click on Sign In with Google button. Select your Gmail address, add the password, click on Continue button. But before doing that, please make sure that you have shared all the access and checked all the boxes for the better tracking. So let's click on Continue button. Okay, now here if you see, I'm logged in with my Gmail address. In the free app, we have an option to go ahead with Conversios container, but if you're going ahead with the premium plan, you'll see this option also enabled. So for now, let's continue with the free plan, wherein the default container is the default GTM. As I'm logged in, to set up the Google Analytics, I need to click on this drop down, wherein I have to select my account ID, and same way we have to select the measurement ID. So let's select that and click on Save and Next. Similarly, we have to select the Google Ads account ID. So click on drop down, select the ID, and now here if you see, we have add to cart conversion tracking enabled in this plan. So we can click on Enable Now button, select the ID and label, and click on Save button. If you don't have any conversion label ID created yet, we can do that by clicking on this button. Now here if you see, in the premium plan, we also provide the conversion tracking for begin checkout and purchase conversion, enhanced conversion. Okay, now let's click on Save and Next. Here we have to connect our Facebook pixel, wherein we just need to type in the pixel ID and hit Save and Next button. Again, so this is the free plan wherein the purchase tracking and conversion API tracking will not be available. So let's click on Save and Next to move further. Similarly, other pixels are available like TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Microsoft, Clarity, Hotjar, LinkedIn, and Crazy App. So if you want to connect any of these pixels, just add the pixel ID and hit Save and Next, or else we can simply go ahead with Skip and Next. Now, this is the important part. For the tracking purpose, we need to enable the blocks. So let's click on Activate Blocks Now button. Here we see these two blocks are there, so it's already enabled. Make sure if these blocks are not enabled, we have to enable it and hit Save. Now we have to make sure that we check this box so that the Save and Next button is available. Let's click on here. Now this is the plan page wherein we have to select which plan we need to go ahead with. So with the free plan, there are some restrictions with the tracking. So till add to cart, you'll be able to track all the events with free plan. But if you want to move further with the purchase events, we recommend to either go ahead with monthly plan or yearly plan. So for now, let's go ahead with monthly plan. Approve the charges. Okay, so now let's quickly go to those steps wherein we saw the premium version. Here in Google Tag Manager, now if you see, use your own GTM container option is also available. So what you need to do, if you want to go ahead with your GTM container, simply click here and select the required Google Tag Manager account ID and container ID. Once that is done, you can click on Save and Next. Okay, now here if you see, under Google Ads setup, earlier add to cart conversion tracking was only enabled. Now if you see, begin checkout conversion tracking plus purchase conversion enhanced conversion tracking is also enabled. So what we need to do, we just need to click on Enable Now button, select the desired ID and label, and hit Save button. Once this is done, let's click on Save and Next. So this is the last step of the app setup. So what we need to do, whatever setups, whatever pixel IDs and details we have saved and connected with this app will be available here in the form of code. So we simply need to copy code, go to settings, customer events. We need to create add custom pixel. Just type in some name as in add pixel. So paste the code here that we have copied in the last step, hit save, and at the bottom we see connect button. Once this is done, our app setup is complete. Now we just have to make sure that we check this box and click on finish setup button. So now the app setup is completed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to info@conversios.io. Thank you.